Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're going to find the inverse of this equation, y equals x plus 3 all squared minus 5. Now, the rules are very simple. Sometimes things become difficult in the execution. So the first thing to do is to swap x and y. So let's do that. And that's what we get. X is equal to y plus 3 all squared minus 5. And what we want to do is we gradually want to make y the subject. And when I say gradually, there are a few steps. So, what's the first step? Well, we can deal with this really simply. We can just add 5 to each side, and we get this, y plus 3 all squared. Now from there, you simply ask yourself, what are you going to have to do to get rid of this? Well, you do the opposite of what this is. Just as up here we did the opposite of what this is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the square root of both sides. And bear in mind that it's entirely possible that the square root of this could be positive or negative. Not so on the other side, because we know that we were squaring y plus 3, so we wind up with y plus 3. That is a 3. And that is taking the square root of both sides. Now, I'm just going to write this round the other way because this is how we want this to wind up. X plus 5. Now, we have one more thing to do. We need to remove the 3 from here and place it over here. So that means that we wind up with y equals plus or minus the square root of x plus 5 minus 3. And this expression here is the inverse of this. You can test it, I guess you can graph it if you like, and you'll see that the graph of this and this are reflections in the line y equals x. Just to drive home that point, this is the line in which inverses are reflected. So if we have something very simple like this, just a very simple y equals x squared, the inverse of that is going to look like that. Okay, well, I hope that this was useful and interesting, and if it was, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.